How to buy Ethereum on Binance app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to buy Ethereum on Binance app in easy fast way. So first thing we do is we go to Binance app like this, and as you can see this is the home page. Now we go to down below here, click on this yellow option and choose buy. And now we have many cryptos. We choose Ethereum here, the second one after Bitcoin, and here you go. Now you choose the amount of Ethereum that you want. Okay, if you want $100 or 1,000 or even 10,000, and after you choose the amount you just click here. Because I'm not logging it into my account, you will find buy here if you are logging into your account, and after that everything will be done. And that's it for today's video guys. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, and thank you for watching.